Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok live option not showing. For example, if you click on plus icon, then here you can show here you can see there is no live option is shown here. If you match the criteria and you have still not get the live option in TikTok, then I will tell you how you can fix that. First of all, you have to take the screenshot of your profile. After taking the screenshot, you have to simply click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy. After that, you have to simply scroll down and you have to click on report a problem. Here you have to report that problem to TikTok teams so that they can solve it for you. After scrolling down, here you will find the live option. You have to click on that. After that, you have to click on how to start a live, which means they will tell you how you can start a live, as you have no option to start a live, so you can simply click on no. After that, they will provide you a need more help option. You have to click on that. After that, you have to explain the problem to TikTok team, that what is the problem you are having. So you have to simply paste the description I have already written. So after providing description, which is as hello TikTok team, I have not access to live option in TikTok, even I match the criteria for that. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. And after that, you can also provide the screenshot of the problem that you match the criteria of that. After doing all the things, you can simply click on submit and your problem will be submitted to TikTok team, and within few days TikTok team will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.